Second-hand car owners need to watch this video and stop wasting money on car maintenance every year. I'm about to give you some insight into how engines work, and how to get the best out of your engine. When you buy a used car, you know it already has some mileage on the engine. The engines have most probably been running on good quality fuel. But when you put your car on the Nigerian roads, the combination of the lower-grade petrol or diesel, and frequently driving in stop-start traffic, increases carbon buildup exponentially. Do you know what carbon buildup does to your engine? Carbon buildup can restrict airflow, which can change the air-to-fuel ratio. An incorrect air-to-fuel ratio leads to inefficient combustion, which results in loss of power. When you lose power, you step on the gas pedal in an attempt to get more power. This is one of the reasons for the increase in fuel consumption. It can also increase the compression ratio, which will heat up the air-fuel mixture during compression. This can lead to premature detonation or engine knock. Other side effects of carbon buildup are increasing engine vibration, noise, and toxic exhaust smoke. Of course, the check engine light will most likely come on as well. In your attempt to resolve these issues, you may spend money on repairs that don't fix the carbon buildup problem. This can increase your vehicle maintenance cost. We have found a solution for this Nigerian second-hand car problem. Without dismantling the engine, Carbon Cleaning Nigeria's decarbonization service can remove the carbon buildup that has accumulated in your engine over the years. Engine carbon cleaning uses hydrogen technology to thermally decompose carbon buildup in the engine air pathway, from the air intake through the combustion chamber to the tailpipe. In March 2018, Carbon Cleaning Nigeria introduced this technology in Nigeria. It is a technology that is already being used in many countries around the world. Carbon Cleaning Nigeria is a member of the Carbon Cleaning International Network. The network has reached Africa with operations in South Africa, Egypt, Algeria, Morocco, Senegal, Republic of Guinea, Mali, and Mauritius. To date, we have helped thousands of motorists to increase engine power and reduce fuel consumption. A great benefit of the service is that your engine life is extended and your investment goes a long way. Our service works on all engines, including cars, trucks, tractor-trailers, motorbikes, generators, and even boats or ships. We have 5-star customer reviews to show that carbon cleaning works and can save you money. Carbon cleaning restores the pleasure of driving a well-performing car. There are 3 key things to remember about our service. 1. No engine dismantling is required. 2. The treatment can be completed in less than 1 hour. 3. We can perform the service at the convenience of your home or office. Call us today to schedule an appointment to decarbonize your engine. Please call our service supervisor on 090287888175.